Okay guys, you're welcome back to Amazing Digital Creative Studio. So in this video, I quickly want to show you how you can unban your WhatsApp. So sometimes you may just wake up and you discover that your WhatsApp account has been banned, and you know how panic that usually be. So in this video, I will show you how you can get rid of it, how you can unban your WhatsApp account all for free. You understand? So there are lots of WhatsApp ban. There are lots of WhatsApp ban. So it all depends on the kind of the activities that you have done that make them to ban your account. It depends on the rules that you violated that will determine the type of ban that was placed on your WhatsApp. So first of all, I quickly want to show you this first WhatsApp ban. So this one says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. As you can see here, it said this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp, and why this account was banned from using WhatsApp. So before I do that, let me show you the reasons why this account can be banned for not using WhatsApp using ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT say this account cannot use WhatsApp message usually indicates a ban due to violating WhatsApp's terms of service. This can stem from using unofficial apps, spamming, or other policy violations. To address this, you can try requesting a review through the app contacting WhatsApp. Do you understand? So this is an examples of WhatsApp ban. If you have such ban on your WhatsApp, so I will show you how you can request a review for all of this. So I will also show you another WhatsApp ban type. So guys, before I quickly go on to the second WhatsApp ban type, so when you have issues like this, there will be a button at the bottom right here which we ask you to review. As you can see from this screen, this account has already been reviewed and is awaiting a response. You understand? So in your own case, you will see something like request review. So once you click the request review, they will review your account within 24 hours, and within 24 hours the account will be reinstated if you have a genuine message for them to review your account and reinstall it again. Do you understand? So going back to the second one, so guys, this other WhatsApp ban type is discussed the temporarily banned. So when your WhatsApp account is temporarily banned, they are going to give you about 24 hours before your account can be reinstated automatically. This happens to be that when your account is banned, you may not have the opportunity to review it by yourself, but they are going to reinstate it within 24 hours after that 24 hours. So they're going to reinstate your account within 24 hours. That is called WhatsApp ban. And why are your account being banned temporarily? So we get to know it by going to our ChatGPT again. A temporary WhatsApp ban typically occurs due to policy violations like spamming or using unofficial versions of the app. You understand? So these bans are usually for a set period displayed as a timer within the app, ranging from a few hours to several days. To recover, users must wait out the timer. Do you understand? So if your WhatsApp account is banned for spamming on the account, so you are going to be given about 24 hours to wait for the account to automatically reinstate itself. So you cannot do anything except that you wait for first ban to cancel its timer down before the account can start working again. And we also have another account ban that we will be looking at. So guys, the next one is the permanent WhatsApp ban. Permanent WhatsApp ban. So, and I will show you how it looks like on my WhatsApp, because currently now my WhatsApp is banned permanently. Although that is not their final statement. You understand, but it's just for you to know how the WhatsApp permanent ban usually looks like. As you can see from here, it says this account cannot use WhatsApp. Okay, now so this one has been reviewed, so not a reviewed one, the one that is not yet reviewed. Okay, let me go back to my WhatsApp so that you can be able to say that, like I said, I'm using different WhatsApp account. I am using different WhatsApp account. This is another WhatsApp account, and this is another WhatsApp account here. You understand? So I'm using different WhatsApp with different phone numbers. So if you want to learn how to use different WhatsApp number, like 4 or 5 WhatsApp account on one phone, so then you can request for the course on how you can do that. So let me open my WhatsApp account. This is my WhatsApp. You say this account can no longer use WhatsApp business. Recent activity on this account does not follow the WhatsApp business messaging policy or the meta commerce policy. Do you understand? So if you have issues like this, what you should know is that WhatsApp cannot just ban your account if there is no any unusual activities, if there's no any illegal activities on your account. Do you understand? So definitely, if your WhatsApp account is banned, just know that something has been wrong in your WhatsApp chat. So what you just need to do is that just try to figure out what activities are you performing on your WhatsApp. What activities are you performing on your account, on your WhatsApp account? What are the things that you are doing? Are you sending too much messages to people, or do you try to forward messages many times? You understand? So sometimes there are some messages that people will send to you. You also want to share it with other people, and you see it like it has been forwarded many times. You understand? So something like such messages can also prone your WhatsApp account to be banned. And there is a maximums of WhatsApp messages that you can send within a minute. You see, within a minute or within 2 to 5 minutes, there is a maximum numbers that you can send within a minute. If you exceed that limit, your WhatsApp account is going to be banned within 1 hour of that activities that you recently performed. Okay, let's take for instance. Okay, so some of us are using WhatsApp tools like, let me go to Play Store and search for that app. WhatsApp tools like watch tools. Yeah, some of us are using watch tools. Some of us are using auto responder. Some of us are using Warbox sender. Yeah, Warbox sender. Let me check if the app is still available on Play Store. Yeah, some of us are using this particular application. So some of this application can cause your WhatsApp account to be banned because they are not originally created by WhatsApp. You understand? But it works with WhatsApp if you know how to use them. So what I want to bring out from here is that if you are sending broadcast messages, if you are sending broadcast message, let me look for broadcast message here, like this. Send bulk message. If you are sending bulk message using all these applications, your WhatsApp account can be banned for sending such if you don't know how to set up their settings. Do you understand? So but if you know how to set up their settings, your WhatsApp account may not be banned if you are following WhatsApp guidelines. So I will first of all advise that you make sure that you read about WhatsApp terms and conditions, terms of using their app. So once you read about using once you learn about their policy, about their use policy, you will not be able to go against their rules. So you'll be able to follow their rules strictly instead of for going against it. So if you send messages too much, if you send frequent messages, to people, your WhatsApp account is going to be banned. I think they have limit of 250 messages per minute. I think it's between 250 messages per minute or 500 messages per minute. So whichever one that you are doing, just make sure that you are not exceeding the number of sent per minute. And if you are running WhatsApp broadcast, let me check if I have any broadcast message here. Broadcast message. Yeah, this is one of my WhatsApp broadcast group. So if you are sending message through WhatsApp broadcast messages and you are sending you send frequently on them, or you have like multiple broadcast message and you send message frequently on them, like within 1 minute you will send messages to like 10 or 15 broadcast messages, your WhatsApp account might be banned if you don't apply wisdom to it. Do you understand? So I will advise that you apply wisdom in anything that you are doing with your WhatsApp account, so that you will not have your WhatsApp account being banned. So now let's go to the state where we can be able to request for review, and our WhatsApp account is going to be unbanned within 24 hours. So let me head over to my WhatsApp account that was recently banned. Why is my WhatsApp account recently banned? Some companies rented my WhatsApp account for chat with their client. So because of this, my account was banned due to their spam message. Maybe the client abused them, or the activities, all their conversations with the clients prone illegal activities to WhatsApp. So because of that, they might ban their account. So this happens because some companies rented my WhatsApp account. So that is why this WhatsApp account was banned. So I will now request for a review, and I think I have some past review which I can show you on my screen. Let me check if I can be able to find it before I request a review on this particular case. So guys, I could not find the screenshots of how all scenarios went, but this is my email address and how I request for support on my WhatsApp. This is one of the messages. Let me just go back to February 14, 2024. As you can see my message, dear WhatsApp support team. So I usually send them messages through WhatsApp, through email. Sometimes if I am not able to message them on my WhatsApp, so I usually message them on my email address. This is WhatsApp reply me, say, thanks for contacting us. We understand that you do like to appeal the ban on your WhatsApp account. Requesting a review is no longer possible. So this was when they respond to me that requesting a review from WhatsApp could not be possible again through email. Then we understand that you are currently unable to access WhatsApp and are working diligently to answer your request. I appreciate your patience. So this is when they respond to me that I should wait for them to respond to my message. So they usually respond to my message. Respond to my message, and they also give me what I needed to do in order for my account to be reactivated. You understand? So recently you can unban your WhatsApp through email, but now they have stopped reviewing WhatsApp account through email. So now you can now do it directly from the WhatsApp account, just like clicking on review from here. So just click on this review. Say before you can request a review, we will need to send you an SMS to verify your account. So I will need to click on this verify for the OTP to come into my phone, so that I can proceed on doing that. So let me quickly do that for you guys. So click on verify. So continue. So now, the WhatsApp support will review your account and device info for activity that does not follow our business of service. So what you need to do is that you needed to communicate a reason why your WhatsApp account was banned and why your WhatsApp account needs to be reviewed and reinstated. So make sure that you let them know what you are doing and be intentional. So I will give you a guidelines. I will give you a guidelines of the type of message that you can send to them that will enable them to review your WhatsApp account. Do you understand? So I've input my message. So that is my message. So once you have entered your message like this, so just click on submit. So click on submit and await 24 hours for this account to be reviewed. However, this review can take more than 24 hours. This review can take more than 24 hours, but as it is going to be, you will also get information from them through the WhatsApp notification. Initially, before then, when they usually allows their users to review their account through email. So once your account is reviewed, they will send you a message on email, or once they receive your request review, they will send you a notification that your request review has been received through email. But now it is no longer possible using email, but they are going to send you notification once your account is reviewed, and if it is also rejected, they will also send you messages that your request is rejected, and which you can still request for another review. So if this particular video has really helped you to know the do and don't, then please ensure that you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget that you should follow this page for more tips that might help you to grow organically, and also to help you to stay consistent on your niche. Thank you.